Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to make the advanced sub Fief console in Dune Awakening. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So the first thing we need to do, I'm just going to show you. So if we go into Y on our keyboard right here as you can see, and then go into crafting, and then I'm going to see you have to of course firstly have one of those construction tools right here. So if you do have a construction tool, well, it's perfect. I'm just going to research one, by the way, or craft one, sorry. So I'm just going to craft one right now. Construction tool, let's see. So I can get one of these right here. Perfect. And now what I'm going to do, as you can see, I have this construction tool right here now. And if you don't have it, I'm just going to show you. If you click on Y and click on inventory, then you can just find it in here somewhere. So I'm going to see exactly where my construction tool is. Should be somewhere here for sure. Strange that it's not here. Maybe it's automatically going to appear in your hotkey also, I guess, but yeah, whatever. But when you have it in your hotkeys right here, basically, as you can see, then what you're going to do now is to just click on R to change the set. And then you can see the advanced sub Fief console right here. So this is the regular sub Fief console. This is the advanced one. So if you click on it, and it should be okay. I can't place it here for some reason, but yeah, I mean, just find like an area where you can place it. I guess this is not like the best area because it's close to everybody else, so I have to find like another area. But basically this is exactly how to actually make it.